Waterdrop RO Reverse Osmosis. Waterdrop has mastered a 3-filter RO system with precision accuracy and the ability to remove fluoride, limescale, and heavy minerals and metals. The system is an easy-to-install design. Pure water can be flowing within minutes of installation. With 2 cotton filters, 2 carbon blocking, and single proprietary Dow reverse osmosis filters, fresh pure water never tasted better. One-turn, hand-friendly filter changes mean no cranking and no tools. Super easy maintenance, composite filter system, and tank-free design make the Waterdrop RO Reverse Osmosis hassle-free. Enjoy pure filtered water from the best tankless reverse osmosis system. Take back more space under the sink or counter, and save on water waste up to 300%. Anyone can get on board with the BPA and lead-free Waterdrop RO, especially the monthly water bill savings. Waterdrop is about the size of a video game hard drive, measuring 18.06 by 5.68 by 17.76 inches. It weighs a mere 31 pounds. Each system comes with a well-crafted brushed nickel faucet. A lighted ring, built in at the faucet's base, changes from blue to yellow to red, indicating when the RO is working perfectly, when the filter is close to changing, and when it is time to replace it. Warranty: 1-year parts warranty with registration. Pros: first U.S. smart RO system with composite filters and tankless design. Activated coconut shell carbon block filter for better tasting water. Internal pump provides faster flow of fresh pure water. Cons: filter change countdown turn red every 3 months. Rubber mounts crack and leak at the side of the faucet. System only compatible with the included faucet.